Welcome back, y'all, to another week of Cook Before Noon. You might hear a little tickle in my voice. Holiday season got the best of me, but that doesn't mean we're skipping a week of cooking up something delish. If this is your first time tuning in, or if you're back for some more, I like to remind everybody, Cook Before Noon is about giving you game time bites to cook and have ready all day on Sunday, so you can keep that couch cushion nice and warm. Today we're making something stupid easy, so you have no excuse to not at least give these a shot. I promise you, they'll be worth it. The type of snack that everybody destroys in minutes. 4 ingredients, 0 cooking. This week, we're making Chicken Bacon Ranch Pinwheels. I'll show you what you need for your shopping list. Let's roll these pinwheels up together. First on the list is flour tortillas. I grabbed medium-sized tortillas. The serving size we're going to make today is to fill 4 flour tortillas. Next is shredded chicken. Rotisserie chicken works the best, which is what I'm using. You want about 2 cups of shredded chicken. Next is cooked bacon. You'll want at least 4 to 5 slices. Next is shredded cheddar cheese. And last but not least, ranch dressing. First, you're gonna wanna grab a bowl. We're going to mix all the ingredients in a bowl and then spread them across each of the tortillas. So go ahead and grab all 4 ingredients. First, we're gonna add 2 cups of shredded chicken. Next, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Almost went overboard there. Next is half a cup of ranch dressing. And last but not least, you're gonna wanna grab the cooked bacon. Feel free to chop this up. Cooked bacon is pretty easy to tear apart. I'm just gonna tear 4 to 5 slices up. Then we're gonna mix this all by hand, make sure it mixes in evenly. Next, grab your tortillas. As a reminder, the amount we made was for 4 flour tortillas, so we're gonna spread this evenly across each of the 4 tortillas. And we're gonna try to roll them tight as we can. And that's it for today's tailgate snack. You can tell all your friends that you finally made pinwheels now. And doesn't everybody need a new Chicken Bacon Ranch recipe to try? These are it. Let me know how yours came out. If you followed along, I guarantee they'll be gone before kickoff. If you want more easy tailgate food ideas, please hit like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. Invite your friends, family for next week. When they ask, where'd you get that pinwheel recipe from? Those Chicken Bacon Ranch pinwheels were incredible. Point them in this direction. We can all cook together next week. Appreciate you being here as always. I'm gonna take a bite of these. You do the same, and we'll see you next week. Cheers.